Good morning students, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain some another formulas by using trigonometric identities. Before that, we know the integration of sin x dx, that is equal to minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x dx, that is sin x plus c. That means here x coefficient is what? 1 only. Same as it is integration of sin x dx, integration of sin t dt, that is equal to minus cos t plus c. Here, what is the difference between these two and this one? Here is integration with respect to the x, integration with respect to the t. That is the difference. Now, we have to find out integration of sin ax dx. Here x coefficient is small a will be any constant, any real. Then how to find this integration? Here x coefficient is small a. That means how to find the integration of sin ax dx? Integration of sin ax dx. Integration of sin ax dx. This ax I am assuming let ax equal to a into x differentiation 1 dx equal to dt. But here only dx is there. Dx equal this a shift to the side dt by a. That is integration of sin ax assuming t dx is the dt by a. This dt by this 1 by a constant writing also integration of sin t dt. We know that integration of sin x dx is what? Minus cos x plus 1 by a constant minus cos t plus c. In 1 by a into minus cos t means what? We are assuming ax. That means minus cos ax by a plus c. Which one? Integration of sin ax dx. Integration of sin ax dx. Integration of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. Integration of sin ax dx is minus cos ax by a. That means same formula can apply that. X coefficient, what is that? A. That one you can write here. Sin ax minus cos ax. Sin x integration minus cos x, like that. Sin ax integration minus cos ax. X coefficient a, that here I can write. Similarly, example, integration of sin 5x dx. Directly we can write minus cos 5x by x coefficient 5. Integration of sin 5x dx, that is integration of sin minus cos 5x as it is. This x coefficient right in denominator. Another example. Integration of sin minus 20x dx. Integration of sin t, that is minus cos of minus 20x by x coefficient minus 20 plus. This minus minus cancel. This is the procedure. Similarly, suppose integration of cos ax dx. Integration of cos ax. Integration of cos is what? Sin. Sin ax. After that x coefficient a plus. Same integration of tan 3x dx. Integration of tan log. Integration of, what is that? Integration of tan t dt, that is log modulus of secant t plus c. By applying this formula, integration of tan 3x log modulus of secant 3x, x coefficient 3, that is 3 divided. all formulas same type as it is. That x coefficient, what is that coefficient? That coefficient denominator. Integration of e power ax dx. Integration of e power x is what? E power ax. X coefficient a, that a. By using this formula, some problems will explain. Exercise 7.2 finish that. Integration of e power 2x dx. Integration of e power 2x dx. Integration of e power 2x by x coefficient 2 plus e power x. Integration of, since integration of e power ax dx, e power ax by x coefficient what? A, that a plus. Right, like this. Integration of cos 3x. Integration of cos, that is sin 3x, x coefficient 3, that 3. Integration of sin 2x minus 4 into e power 3x dx. Split out first this one. Integration of sin 2x dx. This minus 4 constant writing outside. Integration of e power 3x dx. Now integration of sin minus cos 2x, this x coefficient 2, that one denominator, minus 4 into e power x differentiation, e power x integration, e power x, e power 3x by x coefficient 3 plus. This is the integration of sin 2x minus 4 into e power 3x dx. Okay. So now we know that integration of sine, cos, sine into some multiple of angle is there, then we can know that. Suppose square is there, how to find out? Suppose integration of sine square x dx, or else integration of cos square x dx. How to find out? Or cube is there, how to find out? By using compound angle formula. Sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta formulas. Applying that formulas, we can find out these integrations. First of all, we'll recall that trigonometric formulas. What are the sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta. Most probably we have to apply this formula. This one only, this one. Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula is what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is in terms of cos and sin. In terms of only cos, 2 cos square theta minus 1. In terms of only sin, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta formulas, totally here 3 is there. This is only in terms of cos, this is only in terms of sin. These two. Most important, these two. Integration of sin square, integration of cos square, these two formulas we can apply. How to apply that one? This one we can write as minus 1 shift to this side. Cos 2 theta plus 1 is equal to the 2 cos square theta. From that, these two shift to this side. Cos 2 theta plus 1 by 2 equal to cos square theta. This square 1 convert into multiple. Cos square x, cos square theta convert into cos 2 theta plus 1 by 2. That means here square 1 is there, convert into multiple. 2 into theta. 2 integration of cos ax. We know that sin ax by x coefficient here. Integration of this one convert into in terms of multiple. Same sin square also. This minus 2 sin square theta shift to this side plus this plus 1 shift to that side minus. Then this is 2 sin square theta is equal to the 1 minus cos 2 theta. This one shift 1 minus cos 2 theta, that is equal to 2 sin square theta. Sin square theta you can write as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, that is equal to sin square theta. Cos square theta write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Sin square theta we can write as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. That means now onwards, if we can multiply cos square x, this cos square x, this can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sin square x convert into 1 minus cos 2x by 2 by applying the cos 2 theta formulas both also. Cos square x, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square x means 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sin square x means 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Cannot. Cube is there, how to find. What is that sin 3 theta? Sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta means you can write as sin 2 theta plus theta. Sin of a plus b formula. Sin of a plus b formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta into cos theta plus, this is theta, this is 2 theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta cos square theta. 1 into sin theta minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta, 2 sin cube theta. 2 sin theta cos square theta you can write as 1 minus sin square theta plus sin theta minus 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta 1, 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta into sin square, 2 sin cube theta plus sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Minus 2 sin cube theta minus 2 sin cube theta minus 4. 2 sin theta plus sin theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Which formula this one? Sin 3 theta formula. Now directly we will write as sin 3 theta formula as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Sin 3 theta equal 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Now we required sin cube. How to convert to sin cube? This one side, left side. This one minus is plus. This plus one shift inside. Then 4 sin cube theta equal 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. We required sin cube. Sin cube theta equal 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. When if we can require integration of sin cube x dx, because we don't know directly this integration. Cube is, we know that sin x. Previously we are finding integration of sin ax. X coefficient anyone is there. Then sin ax dx is minus cos ax. X coefficient a we can write. In place of a, any 3 or 4 or 5. In this purpose only. Now, but here cube square we don't know directly. That's why by using this, convert into multiple angles. This is a square cube. Cubic function and square trigonometric functions convert into multiple angles by applying this formulas. If we can sin cube integration we require, then this one we can write as 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. We can apply this one. Now we cannot use the integration because here square is not there, multiples only. Then we can apply the formula. That's why sin cube theta is there, then we can convert. Similarly, cos cube theta. First cos 3 theta formula. What is that cos 3 theta formula? Is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos, say previous sin 3 theta we are proving like that. Cos of 2 theta plus theta we can apply that. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. From this cos cube theta value, this one we can convert. This minus 3 cos theta shift to left side, then plus 3 cos theta, already here cos 3 theta, is equal to the 4 cos cube theta. This 4 shift. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta whole divided by 4, that is equal to cos cube. If you require integration of cos cube x, suppose cos cube x dx, if you require integration of cos cube theta, then we can apply this one. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. You can that one convert into multiply. This is the perfect cubic trigonometric functions. Cubic trigonometric functions of the integration, up to now we don't know how to find it. By this one converting to multiple angles. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. Sin cube is there like this. 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. If we can cos square is there, we can write cos square is cos square x 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Sin square is there 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Now, this formulas, if we can sin square theta, that is convert into 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square theta, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Next, sin cube theta, that is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Cos cube theta, 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. These four formulas derived from trigonometric identities. If we can integration of sin square is there, sin square convert into in this way. Integration of cos square is there, cos square convert into in this way. Integration of sin cube is there, convert into this way. Integration of cos cube is there in that. Already previously we have proved integration of sin ax, multiple angles of cos. Simple multiple angles of the integration, then same as it is integration of cos ax dx. Integration of cos ax dx means cos integration is sin, here is angle ax, this x coefficient a, that a divides. Same formula. If you know the basic formulas, this one is integration of cos ax. cos integration sine. Previously we have proved. Once again I will prove how we get this. This ax as assuming t let ax equal to t. A into x differentiation 1 dx equal to dt. Dx equal to dt by a. This way. Now changing of cos. This dx is dt by a. Cos ax is t. 1 by a constant right now. Cos t 1 by a into integration of cos sin t plus sin t means ax by a plus. This is it. Simple. Same integration of e power ax. Ax plus 3 is there. Suppose integration of cos of ax plus 5 dx is there. Same one. Because 5 constant differentiation is what? 0. That's why no change at all. This integration, cos integration sin ax plus 5, x coefficient a plus 5 into 5 only. Same as it is. That coefficient, x coefficient we can write. Procedure as it is in this way. In this way I will do that. Ax plus 5. Let ax plus 5 equal to t. A into x differentiation 1, constant 5 differentiation 0, totally dx equal to dt. A into dx equal to dt. Here is dx, dx equal to dt by a. Integration of cos, this is assumed already t, dx is dt by a. This 1 by a constant, integration of cos t dt. Integration of cos is sin t plus sin t means what? Ax plus by a. That is same integration of cos, that is the sin. This one as it is ax plus 5, x coefficient a, that one we can write it out. This 5 constant, that's why no problem. Here there is no x force. Up to now I explained, in this class I explained that multiple of angles is mentioned in trigonometric ratios. Then how to find the integration? Integration of cos ax dx, that is sin. Cos integration sin ax by x coefficient a. If we can integration of cos of ax plus 5 is there, then also integration of cos sin ax plus 5, x coefficient a. Same applying the same sign of integration of sin of 3x plus 7 dx. Same integration of sin minus cos 3x plus 7, x coefficient 3, that is plus cos. Same process. Next, if you can give an function, how to find the integration of square, trigonometric ratios of the square. Integration of cos square x, integration of sin square x, like that. How to find? By you applying this formulas. Sin square theta can convert into 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. By using the formulas, trigonometric identities. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. If we can cube, sin cube is there. Sin cube theta is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Cos cube theta is there. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. Some example problems I will explain. Integration of sin square x dx. Integration of sin square x, sin square theta, 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. This one split out. This 2 write in outside 1 by 2 into integration of 1 dx minus integration of cos 2x dx. 1 by 2 write in outside. Integration of 1 dx, that is basic formula, that is x minus cos integration is sin. Since integration of cos ax dx, integration of cos t, integration of cos, that is sin at by t coefficient a plus. Here also apply same. Integration of cos sin 2x, x coefficient 32 This is integration of sin square x dx. This is integration of sin square x dx. Is integration sin square x we can write as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Next, suppose integration of cos square x. Here split out sin square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, 1 minus cos 2x by 2. 1 by 2 constant. Split out 1 dx minus cos 2x dx. 1 integration x minus cos integration sin 2x. Here x coefficient 2. Same integration of cos square x. Integration of cos square x dx. Integration of cos square directly we don't know. This one convert into a multiple angles by applying the cos 2 theta formula. Cos square x, cos square theta 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Here 2 denominator, that 1 by 2 write in outside. Then integration of split out 1 dx plus integration of cos 2x dx. 1 by 2 integration of 1 dx x plus integration of cos. Integration of cos means sin. Here 2x is there, 2x by x coefficient 2, that 2 we can write. Plus. Once again, here today class is multiple angles of the integration. Integration of sin ax dx, that is minus cos ax, x coefficient right in denominator. Similarly, integration of cos ax dx, that is cos integration sin ax, x coefficient a plus c. Integration of e power ax, x coefficient a by a plus c. Right. Next, if we can square is there, trigonometric functions of the square, then how to find this one? Convert into a multiple angles by applying the cos theta. Sin square theta 1 minus cos theta by 2. Cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Next, cube is there. Sin cube theta 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Cos cube theta 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. Thank you.